Hey everybody, yes, snowing here in Colorado. And honestly, this isn't even the latest snow we've ever gotten. Like the last couple of years, we've gotten snow in late May. So I'm not even going to hold my breath. It is what it is. Just cover my flowers and move on. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for headlines today. So, first headline I have to share with all of the regulators: BELLA+CANVAS and Stakes Manufacturing form strategic partnership. So, BELLA+CANVAS and Stakes Manufacturing announced a strategic partnership to support global brands and major retailers in reshaping their supply chains through developing and offering capabilities in both nearshore and fully made in the USA, printed in the USA models. So, of course, BELLA+CANVAS being on the blanks manufacturing side and Stakes Manufacturing being on the decorating side. The companies say that together they will offer end-to-end domestic and nearshore solutions that prioritize speed, quality, sustainability, cost efficiency, and job creation. So you can click on that news link if you want to learn more details about their partnership. Second headline that I have for everybody this morning: Sales Inc. unveils CRM built exclusively for print shops. Sales Inc. announces the upcoming launch of a CRM built specifically for decorators. Designed from the ground up for shops, this CRM eliminates the patchwork of spreadsheets and manual follow ups that plague many shop owners today, according to a press release. So Kevin Baumgart, who is the founder of Sales Inc., says that their CRM has been carefully tailored to the workflows, client cycles, and team dynamics of print and promo businesses. So, any of you who have met Kevin know that he has worked extensively in our industry for a long time. There's a lot of experience there, and he has put a lot of thought into something specifically for our industry. So, be sure to check that out. Final headline I have for everybody today: the effects of tariffs on the printing industry. A look at the apparel decorating community. So, a while back, Apparelist and Printing United Alliance launched a survey to kind of get a gauge on these initial impacts that people are feeling from the tariffs. So we did release our first round of data, which of course this is an ongoing thing, so keep that in mind. But diving into the details of this specific round, more than 90% of the participants in the Printing United Alliance Effects of Tariffs on the Printing Industry survey expect the recent increases to affect their business. There are strong opinions on both the positive side and the negative side, as well as broad agreement that it is too early to know what the long-term effects will be for either our industry or the American economy. So, a total of 246 companies have completed the Alliance survey at the time of publishing, with 113 apparel decorators specifically participating in the survey. 93% of the apparel decorators that participated said the expected response to the tariffs will be to increase prices. So I just encourage anybody to head on over to that link. The survey is still open. We are still collecting data. We will continue to collect data. It's something, obviously, that's a hot topic in the industry. So, guys, that's everything I have for you this week.